Hey my YouTube family, this is Momin Sam. I welcome you in my channel Simple English Lessons. I hope you people are doing well. My friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can make your English fluent. And everyone wants to speak English fluently, right? And I know that you also want to make your English fluent. So with the help of one simple step, I would like to tell you how you can make your English fluent. My friends, for example, if you want to learn how to drive a car, and you have some negative thoughts, you're feeling that I will start driving a car but I'm not sure that I will be able to drive or not, means you do not believe in yourself. Surely you will not be able to drive a car. Why? Because you are not believing in yourself. My friends, believing in yourself is very important, right? If you want to achieve your life's goals, if you want to do anything great in your life, you have to believe in yourself. I would like to give example of Thomas Alva Edison. Actually, when he was making electric bulb, he used 2000 material for making filament. And when nothing worked, when everything got failed, his assistant complained. His assistant said that, sir, everything got failed, and means we wasted our time, we wasted all this material. So do you know what Thomas Alva Edison said that time? He said that we did not get failed. We came to know one very important thing, that this 2000 material cannot work for making electric bulb. What experience, right? What a talent and what a confidence. This is called as confidence. This is called as self-belief. And just because of his self-belief, Thomas Alva got great success in his invention or in his life, right? So this is the power of self-belief. My friends, whatever you want to do in your life, whatever you want to achieve in your life, you have to believe in yourself. You are trying to learn English language and you are feeling that I will just try, and if I will not be able to learn, then I will stop learning English language. Don't start learning English language with this belief. Whatever you are going to start, whatever you are going to start learning, right, you have to believe in yourself. If I am going to start learning computer, I have to believe in myself that yes, after completing my course, I will be able to operate computer properly. I will be able to do anything, right? So you have to believe in yourself. If you are trying to learn English language and you're getting failed and you're facing problems and you're committing mistakes, and then after you're thinking that I cannot learn, I cannot speak, I cannot make my English fluent, then definitely you are not going to make your English fluent. Why? Because you're thinking that way, right? So believe in yourself. Everything takes time, right? You must have some patience and keep learning, keep trying, keep putting efforts. I guarantee you that one day you will be able to speak English fluently, right? So just believe in yourself. This is very important if you want to make your English fluent. And if you believe in yourself, then nobody has to tell you that start speaking English language. You will speak yourself. Nobody has to tell you that start learning or start listening English language. You will start yourself, right? So I hope you like this video and you found it interesting, and subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Bye for now and see you very soon with some good videos.